How to apply for ICICI Bank credit card online. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can apply for an ICICI Bank credit card online. To do so, first of all, you need to visit to the ICICI Bank official website. Open any web browser on your device and in the search bar type ICICIBank.com. Once you have entered this keyword, now press the enter button to search it. Now you will be taken to the official website of ICICI Bank. Here you will find cards option from the top. Click on this cards and then click on this credit cards from the drop down menu. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to a new page. Once you reach to this page, here you can see Platinum Chip credit card. If you want to apply for this credit card, you need to click on this apply now button right here. Or else if you want to find more, you can scroll down and find the one that best suits your need. Once you have found the one that you would like to apply for, go ahead and click on apply now button right here. And once you click on it, you will be redirected to new page again. In this page, you will be prompted to enter your mobile number, PAN number and the date of birth. Enter your mobile number in the first box and in the second box, enter your permanent account number. Once you have entered your PAN number, at the last box, enter your date of birth. And once you are done entering it, click on this little square right here to state that you agree the terms and conditions, and then click on this next button at the very bottom. Once you have done that, now you will be taken to step 2 where you will need to personalize your credit card. You will be prompted to customize your credit card as per your preference. And after that, you will need to provide additional information and then you can submit the form. After submission, you can track the status of your application through the website or even in the application. After that, it will verify your application and after verification, if approved, you will receive your credit card by mail within a few days. So by following these steps, you should be able to apply for an ICICI Bank credit card online. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.